Hey all, I'm Pokémon Mike and welcome back to another random pack a day. Today's Pokemon is Bayleaf, but I just don't have a Bayleaf card as it's like a Sun and Moon era and I just don't have it. So just a shiny grass energy there with an Astral Radiance pack today. Let's see, Astral Radiance here. Black Code. And a Dark Energy, I'm guessing. Fighting, nope, missed out. So, will it be just a standard holo, or will it be something more? Kind of already seen that. So, Flapple, and yeah, just a standard holo. So, the Flapple there is kind of a pull of a set. Let's see, Astral Sleeve, and I'm quite sure I already have it. And yep, number 2 there. So into this folder it goes. And wrong one. Thinking should have just been putting the Scarlet Violet ones in here, but nah, set folder's probably good. So that's all for today. So thanks for watching and come back again tomorrow for another video.